Hello, today everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the answer of this question about a Medal of Freedom. And here is a question. Joan Ganz Cooney received a Medal of Freedom for producing what TV program? Well, now I'll give you a list of the option, and here is a list of the option. The very first option is 60 Minutes. Second option is Sesame Street. Third option is Jeopardy. And the very last option, Saturday Night Live. Now I'll give you the correct answer for the question. And the correct one is Sesame Street. And here is the reason why Sesame Street is the correct one. Sesame Street is the correct answer because Joan Ganz Cooney co-founded the Children's Salvation Workshop in 1968 and created this revolutionary preschool program, earning the Presidential Medal of Freedom from President Bill Clinton in 1995 for her profound impact on childhood education. The option 60 Minutes is incorrect because the legendary CBS News magazine program was created and produced by television executive Don Hewitt in 1968. Not Cooney Jeopardy is a wrong choice as a famous television quiz show was conceived and created by media mogul Merv Griffin alongside his wife Julian back in 1964. So that is correct answer for the question. Sesame Street, that is correct one.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.